anyways, Amanda has a lot on her plate as of right now, and um so I'm just going to let nature take its course. You know, I mean, yeah, Amanda is, well, she's a sight, and I would like to be with her as her man, but um, I'm just gonna let it play out. I'm not gonna put. Um, I haven't. I haven't been doing this already, but um, um, yeah, I'm just gonna let it play out. I do have feelings for Amanda, and that's strange because I don't have feelings for anybody or anything because I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck about whatnot. I just don't give a fuck because all the shit I've been through, the war, being blown up, um, having several of skin drafts upon my body, having things replaced, and you know, I and I've just been through a lot of shit myself with all that stuff, and so yeah, and I mean losing my mom, well, up here, she's already gone because, like I said, the only reason I was able to recognize her in the first place was because we would always Skype, you know. Other than that, I have no emotional bonds with anybody, whether it be my mother or anybody else. So, developing feelings for Amanda is I have I haven't been in a relationship since 2013. Well, 2013. Well, 2011 is when I moved to Louisiana. Um, that's when my other brother, Earl, was already living in Louisiana. But unlike him, I enlisted, and then um, um, 2014, I was shipped off, and then around the end, around October, November, whatnot, or something like that. I no, no, no. It was around the end of um 2022 because I spent half a year in military hospital after being blown up because I believe it was half a year. I'm not really sure. But but bottom line is I spent a very long time in the military hospital. And then when I was well enough to be moved and everything, that's when they transferred me to the burn unit over there in Louisiana, New Orleans, North Shore, Louisiana, and they took care of me there. And um, my last call, my last Skyping session with my mom, I could tell that she didn't have long left. So when I was well enough to leave from the ward, burn unit there at Louisiana North Shore, there in New Orleans, I hopped on the first flight back, or whatever you want to call it, to to these states, um, um, and um, spent the last remaining days with my mother, with my mom, and that's it, Um, and yeah, so um, my sister, and the thing is, my sister, my sister April, and my quote um non-sister Marcel, Marty, whatever the fuck she wants to call herself, she claims to be my sister, but she's not. Marty is a very bad person. She doesn't have anything. She doesn't have anything good to say about anybody. She doesn't like anybody that if she believes your life is better than hers, or if she believes that you've done more with your life, or you've done more in the past making your life better now, she doesn't want a goddamn thing to do with you, and she'll talk nothing. And she'll talk nothing but shit about you. Um, I mean, like for me, um, she's lied about me to many of the people here in the nearby residence area, about me not serving. Um, oh, if you watch that one one post I did earlier, you hear how Jenny. Now this one, me and Jenny, we're still friends. Jenny was saying how well Marty said you bought that. She said you want it. See, that's what I'm saying. So see, I know she lied about me. I already knew. I mean, Jenny didn't have to tell me. I knew she lied about me, and that's why I cut Marty out of my life because um um Marty allowed her jealousy to corrupt the relationship that she was trying to build with me. Um, you know, um, Marty, she's just a bad person. So I haven't spoken with her since, and it's been like 2 or 3 months now. I haven't said a goddamn thing to her. I don't even acknowledge her. Um, yeah. Um, she asked me to help her with mom's junior bill. Fuck that. $25. That's all I'm giving her. My bills are getting high. I'm still paying for my house. I'm still paying for my house up there in California. I'm still paying for my home there in Louisiana. I'm still paying for my vacation beach house there in Florida. I'm paying for my storage. I'm paying for my insurance. I'm paying for that. Um, I got $45,000 life insurance. Um, yeah, I'm doing all that shit. And they think, well, you're getting SSI. No, I don't get SSI. I'm getting SSD, disability. Yeah, which by law I am considered disabled. Because well, what happened to me? You know, came back from the war, um, all fucked up and everything. You know, and people are saying, well, Bone, you get help on the, the veteran, blah, 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 blah. I tried that, and they want to help, but because my records and everything are sealed, because the reason why we was over there was a need to know basis. The reason why me and my men was over there, um, need to know basis, so you know, all that shit is deadlocked, blacklisted, whatever you want to call it, So, so yeah, they refuse to help me because I I can't provide the information that the information they want I can't provide, legally, so. So, you know, um, but I do have my NRAs, my T-bills and trust funds and bonds and T-bills and CDs and stuff like that. But I have 45,000 on my PayPal account. Um, so I may not live like I have money, but as I said before in my last post, the reason I do that is because I don't want people knowing that I have money. I don't want people knowing that I'm well off. So yeah, but me, Amanda, right now we are just good, good-hearted friends. She knows I'm there for her if she needs me, and um, I already got her Christmas and everything, and it's I mean, I know it's gonna be hard for me to do this, but it's going because I'm gonna have to cut back on some other stuff. But the Christmas list bills, I've already ordered it and stuff, so it's already in the mail. Um, the only problem is when I ordered it, I'm put it all together to be sent at the same time. This before they got back with me and said, "Oh, this item's not in stock right now, so it may not. So we may not be able to send it to you till next month." I, at the time, it said it was in stock, but now it was like, no, it's not in stock. It happened. Shit like this happens almost every year around the holidays. So um yeah so buying I already got Christmas gift for Amanda. I already got one of them already, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is either. But I already got one of her Christmas gifts here already. So yeah. But the rest of the stuff that I ordered is gonna be here next month. So but I mean, like I said, I would really love to be with Amanda and her to be with me. But she's for her situation and whatnot. For her situation and whatnot, she has a lot of shit on her plate. So I'm not gonna push the issue. I'm not gonna imply any pressure or anything. I'm just going to let nature take its course.